Hi everybody, so today we're going to continue with our work around equal groups as sharing. So let's have a look first of all. So I put a video on our Sway document, so it gives you a little bit of an introduction into about sharing and equal grouping. So you might want to watch that before you watch this lesson. If you've already watched it, well done. So let's have a look. So if I just pop my pen on here, then I can help you when it's your turn to do it and my turn. So Annie has 10 apples. Annie has some plates. She wants to put 2 apples on each plate. Show how Annie groups the apples. So what I'd like you to do is draw 10 apples first of all. So pause the video and draw 10 apples. Then what I want you to do is she wants to put 2 apples on each plate. So we're going to draw the plate as if there are 2 apples on each plate. So if I draw a plate there, that's got 2 apples on it. And if I draw another plate around those, that's 2 apples on that. Do you think you can do that with the 10 apples you've just drawn? Pause the video and have a go. Yeah, so if I draw the rest around here, so we can see she's got 10 apples. We've got 2 on each plate. And it means we've got 5 groups of 2 apples. Well done. So complete the sentence then. How many apples are there? So you might be able to remember, or you might need to count now. There are 10 apples. How many did we put on each plate? We put 2 apples on each plate. And how many plates are there? 5. Well done if you said that. Okay, so this time we've got 15 counters. We're going to put the counters into groups of 3. So we've got 15 counters. Draw your 15 counters first of all and then put them into groups of 3. Pause the video, off you go. So if you've drawn 15 counters and you've put them into groups of 3, so there are 15 counters. How many counters are in each group? 5 counters in each group because there are 3 groups. Well done if you did that. Okay, this time we've got 20 chairs then. So we're going to circle groups of 5 chairs this time. So again, you can just draw circles to represent your chairs as if you've been doing with your counters. So draw 20 circles first of all. Put them into groups of 5 chairs. So if we circle 5 chairs, so we've got 3, 4, 5. So you've got your circles and you should have circled 5 circles. There's another 5. So it's a little bit tricky, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. There's 5 there. And then I've got my other circled 5 there. So how many groups did I circle? So how many big circles have I got? How many big circles have I grouped? I've got 4 big circles of 5 chairs, haven't I? So complete the number sentence. This is where it's a little bit tricky. If you want to have a go, pause the video. If not, we'll do it together. So we've got 20 chairs. So we need to put 20 first because that's our biggest number because we're dividing all of the chairs, aren't we? So if we've got 20 chairs and then we divide it by how many groups we've got. So that's 4, which gives us 5 because we've got 5 chairs. So we've just used these 3 numbers to make our sentence. Well done if you did that. So what about this one then? I wonder if you could have a go at this one on your own. A little bit tricky, but I'm sure you can do it. So complete the number sentence. Use the number line to help you. So pause the video and have a go. So yeah, 30 divided by 10. If we've jumped, we've got 3 groups of 10, haven't we? Because we've done 3 jumps. 30 is made up of how many equal groups of something else? So it's made up of 3 equal groups of 10. Well done if you managed to do that. Okay, have a go at this one then. So using the same method that I've just shown you, see if you can do this one on your own. So 30 divided by 5 is 6 because I've done 6 jumps. 30 is made up of 6 equal groups of 5. Well done. Okay, this one then. Eva is putting 24 pencils into pots. She puts 2 pencils into each pot. How many pots does Eva need? So she's got 24 pencils in pots and she's got 2 pencils in each pot. How many pots does Eva need? So you might want to draw pencils and group them in twos to see if that helps you. But then have a go at writing the number sentence that goes with it. You might have even just known because you know some of your division facts against your times table facts. So it's 24 divided by 2, because we want pencils in 2, which makes 12. So we know she needs 12 pots. Well done if you've said that. Okay, so your task now is, if you've got some counters you can use, or some Lego, some cards, whatever you've got in your house. If not, draw the counters to be able to do this task. So get 10 counters and put them in groups of 2, then get 15 and put them in groups of 5, 20 and put them in groups of 10, and 18 and put them in groups of 3. And I want you to have a go at writing the number sentence to go with each picture, okay? So, or with each equipment that you're using. You might want to draw a picture so it matches the number sentence and it helps you. So I'll read that again. So you're either going to get or draw 10 counters and put them in groups of 2, 15 counters and put them in groups of 5, 20 counters and put them in groups of 10, 18 counters and put them in groups of 3, and write a number sentence to go with each one. Have fun!